Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will deliver a lesson for class 12th subject zoology. My today's topic is the management of farmers and farm animals, that is related to your chapter Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production. Now, farm management is the branch of agricultural economics which deals with the business principles and practice of farming with an objective of obtaining the maximum possible return from the farm as a unit under a sound farming program. Now, various animal farming systems and their management procedures are: number first is dairy farming. Now, dairying is the management of animals for milk and its products for human consumption. In dairy farm management, we try to increase the yield and improve the quality of the milk. Now, various essential procedures and processes for livestock improvement in dairy farms are breeding, weeding, feeding and heating. Now, so far the breeding is concerned, here the selection of good breeds having high yielding potential is very important. Second process is the weeding. By weeding, we mean to remove the uneconomic animals from the reproduction so that the best quality animals are reared. Third process is feeding. Proper and adequate feeding is very important for improving the quantity as well as quality of the product. Last process is heeding. By heeding, we mean to pay attention in terms of good animal management that includes housing care, maintenance of proper cleanliness and hygiene. This heeding also includes regular visits by a veterinary doctor. Thus, the productive potentialities of livestock are controlled by three major factors or principal factors, which are: number one, the genetic makeup of an animal; number second is its nutrition; and third important factor is the environment, which also includes the climatic conditions. Now, the second type of farming is what we call as poultry farm management or poultry. Now, poultry is the class of domesticated birds like chicken, turkeys, ducks, geese, swans and fowls, etc., which are basically domesticated for their eggs and meat. As in dairy farming, selection of disease-free and suitable breeds, proper and safe farm conditions, proper feed and water, and hygiene and health care are the important components of poultry farming also. The most common egg yielding variety used for these commercial production of the eggs throughout the world is the white leghorn and its various strands. And the most the meat type or meat producing stocks mainly originate from the Plymouth Rock, Cornish and New Hampshire breeds of fowl. Now, this is all about the management of farms and farm animals, which includes the dairy farming and the poultry farm management. Thank you.